Electronic records shall be considered as a document if conditions under which section are satisfied. Section 65B. Who must issue a certificate under section 65B for the admissibility of electronic records? A person in lawful control of the device. Failure to produce a 65B certificate results in rejection of the electronic evidence. In Anwar PV versus PK Basir 2014, the Supreme Court held that Section 65B certificate is mandatory for electronic evidence. In Sonu versus State of Haryana, the court imposes procedural requirement of 65B certificate is not technical but substantive. Character evidence is generally inadmissible unless character itself is an issue. In criminal cases, good character of accused is relevant and may be proved. The rule against self-incrimination is protected under which constitution article? Article 23. This section provides protection against self-incrimination to witness. Section 132. Marital communication is protected under section 122. Expert opinion is admissible under section 45. Expert includes persons specially skilled in foreign law, science, handwriting or finger impression. Opinion as to handwriting is admissible under section 47. When is opinion of handwriting expert necessary? When identity of writer is in doubt. Medical evidence is advisory and corroborative in nature. Leading questions are generally permitted in cross-examination. Hostile witness is declared by the court. Cross-examination tests veracity and credibility of witness. Under which section may court ask any question to test credibility? Section 165. Cross-examination is governed under section 137. Makes a dying declaration and the service. Is it admissible? No, because that is essential to apply section 32. Oral evidence must be direct. If an attesting witness denies education, the document must be proved by other attesting witness or evidence of handwriting. Presumption of death arises if a person is not heard of for 7 years. In absence of proof of attention, will is invalid. Thank you.